welcome back to my channel once again. And today I'm coming up with a new story. And the story, the same thing like usual, coming out from another highlight library, and I just want to share with all the world. And today I have some kind of a childhood story, like a child story this time. And maybe some people know, some people not. Only people know when they own the highlight library. If you don't, maybe you don't know this. So this is all about the little pigs. It's not the 3 little pigs and the wolf like last time. Yeah, this time it's 5 wolves instead. There is 5. There is 5 little wolves and a lemon stand. So the title of this story is The 5 Little Pigs. Sorry, did I say wolf earlier? No, it was 5 pigs. So this story was talking about 5 little pigs and a lemon stand. So once upon a time, there was 5 little piggies opening a lemon stand. So the first little piggy go to the market and buy some lemon, and then the second little pig was going to his garage, walk into his garage, and then grab the table from his garage. And then the third little piggy, he goes searching his closet and find a tablecloth. So he put it on the table, and the fourth little pig was making building the lemon brand, like the banners and Sprite lemonade on it. The fifth little piggies went to her kitchen and grabbed all the glass and the cup that they have. And after that, they put it all on the tables and making lemonade. And then there's the first customer to come at their lemon stand. And it was Red Riding Hood. Red Riding Hood said, I'm on my way to go to my grandma's house. Well, I'm thirsty. Can I have some? Then she just grabbed a cup of it and drank it. And then there was a little gingerbread kid. And then he said, may I have some lemonade? And then the little piggy said, sure. And then he got another, and then he just drank a glass of lemonade. And after that, the third customer was Goldilocks. Everyone must know Goldilocks, right? In Red Riding Hood. Everyone know Goldilocks. You know, the Goldilocks and 3 Bears. Maybe if you want that story, if you want me to tell you about that story, comment down below. Okay, so let's continue to our story. So, our third customer today was Goldilocks. And Goldilocks just rushed out of her house, grabbed some money, and go into the lemon stand. And then she said, oh my gosh, this lemonade is just right. May I have a glass? Then she just drank the whole glass of lemonade. And after that, there is a 4th customer, and he was scary. Do you know that? Guess. Comment down below right now. I'm gonna count from 5. I'm gonna reveal it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was the big bad wolf. He's so bad. He remember one time the 3 little pigs and the big bad wolf. Yeah, that story in my channel. He's trying to eat the little pigs. Yeah, that's so bad. But I think maybe he not came here to eat the little pigs. He just came here to get the lemonade. But all of the piggies scared. So when the big bad wolf came into the lemon stand, he said, hi, can I help you? Like doing a deep voice. Hi, can I have some lemonade? And then the whole piggy just saw them, and they scared, and they rushed and run to their home, and they shout, wee, I'm going back home! And they're running as fast as they can going to home. And yeah, that's the end of the story. Thank you guys for watching this video, but it's gonna be another story. This is a bonus story. But before that, please give it a like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you every time I post some new stories or videos or education or how-to videos, you can saw it and like giving you a notification that I'm posting some new videos. And also, please subscribe. It's helped me a lot. But if you can change your mind anytime, you can also unsubscribe if you want. But consider, please help me, because it helps me a lot by subscribing. Just only subscribe and likes. And also, don't forget to share to your families and friends. Goodbye, guys. See you in the next video.